so this good one is gonna go here, and then like right here. All right, I'm gonna get some zip ties. You see, nothing ever goes the way you think it was going to. Thought I was going to be plugging this into the PC that's in here. Apparently I'm going to be plugging it into the power strip that's in here. That's fine, that shouldn't hurt anything. Alright. But we got lights. See if we can spread these out. Kind of evenly across. Get our other one. Kind of do the same with it. Let's bring it out. Somewhere like there. We'll get our zip ties. Yeah, when you're doing these is just add-ons. You just kind of put them wherever you can put them. You know, it's not like you're hooking them up, to a board or anything like that specific. You just get them wherever you can get them. That kind of makes sense. At the end of the day, this is, I won't use the word simulation. It's not a simulation of a light. I mean, it's a real light going in a real coin mech. Concentrate as much of that light as I can. Find somewhere else to tie this. I don't want just anywhere. So the light on the right side, that left side is like, I don't know if somebody painted over that. It's kind of what it looks like. Almost like somebody painted over that or something. I mean, you can kind of see the light, just obviously not as good as the other one. Alright, well, I got a couple more to do. So yeah, see, I'm getting through. I might need to find something like a scraper or something, because that's what that is. Someone has put something, I don't know what, paint or something. See, without ever having put a light back there, I never even realized that somebody had done that. I don't know what that was. Maybe the remnants of some black tape or something. I don't know. Whatever it was, we see it now. Alright, we're going to work on these next. So I'll show you. I already did the lights for the Neo-geo Mini last night. When I turn it on, you'll see these are all on the same circuit. So we're going to do this 1943 themed JAMA cabinet next. I've already got the lights pulled through. And then we'll do the Miss Pac-Man last. So we'll turn it on. So let's see. When you turn it on, you should see the lights come on for that. We got lit mix, or return buttons rather, on the Neo-geo Mini. We can see our lights right here. You'll hear RoboCop and some of the other games. So let's do this one next. Out, stick that in there, that up there, and we'll just put the bulb right behind it. Simple to do. No bulb on the other side.
Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
Then we just gotta figure out a place to kind of zip tie those. Zip tie this to this.
RoboCop. Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
Alright, Miss Pac-Man is going to be a little bit different because I don't have any, I can't really power this by USB. This has an actual board in it. I don't see any way to get to power. So I may have to scoot this out and find a place to plug in. There's a little wall. Now this can go pretty much anywhere down there, but I'll have to dig it out and find it. I'll have to dig it out and find it from the other side. That's fine. Something of a stretch on these. So in fact, they are not going to stretch.
Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
Well, they're not too far apart, but they're almost too far apart. So we just gotta. Let's take this. Let's see how close we can get these. Hopefully that works. I'm just going to kind of hope that we have lights when the time comes, that they're in the right place.
Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
That high. Just gonna kind of do our best here.
Serve the public trust, protect the innocent, uphold the law.
Yes. Literally anywhere that I can get this. I'll be happy with that. Okay. Alright, I plugged the other end in and now we have lights on them as Pac-Man. So these three have lights on this row. On the other side of the Star Wars, I've got the Gorf that I mostly use for testing, and it has the lights.